Have you ever gone through the car wash and had a piece of your car just literally fall off? Because apparently that's a thing. And yep, this is what happened to me. This trim piece came loose, and when I flipped it over, I could still see all of this old adhesive on the back. Whatever was holding it on before clearly was not holding it up anymore, and I needed to do something different. So I picked up this 3M automotive attachment tape, which is made specifically for attaching things like trim and moldings to your vehicle. It comes in a roll like this, and it's a double-sided adhesive tape. You just peel it back, cut off the amount you need, and place the adhesive side onto your trim piece. Then, once that's pressed into place, you remove the red backing to expose the other adhesive side and attach the piece back onto your vehicle. And I really like how thin the tape is because you're getting that adhesive layer without adding a big, bulky space in between the trim and your car. So, according to the packaging, you can use this for trim panels, body moldings, emblems, and more. And they actually give you step by step directions right on the back of the package. Definitely don't skip the surface prep. Make sure that both surfaces are clean before you start so the tape has a good surface to adhere to. Overall, this is a much cleaner option than dealing with a liquid adhesive, and you don't need any special tools. So, hopefully, the next time I go through the car wash, all of my car parts actually come out with me.